What's good, y'all? Dr. Herman Alcamuch back in the building again. Mr. Mbello, Dr. Legacy. Today I got a good one. So we're gonna be talking about the new OnlyFans update. And what's going on and what that means for us and what I think about it, right? Everybody wanna know what the doctor thinks, so the doctor gotta speak about it. Okay, so this is what happened. OnlyFans, right? Going through different things on a high level, like the high levels of the company, due to payment processing issues with different banks they was affiliated with. Um, they had problems, right? Because they want to get this money throughout the system, right, back and forward. But there's certain restrictions with certain banks and certain entities, certain financial entities and organizations that they won't allow. They don't want the money from that, basically. If it's coming from that, they don't want the money, right? Um, because it's hard for them to wash, right? They still got to pay taxes. They still got to wash it on a high level. But so in a embarrassing attempt, they decide to say, okay, let me try to moderate and do some damage control, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, okay, I'm being hypothetical, y'all. I'm going to take away the best part of my business in order to bring my business forward. Okay, in a nutshell, that's how it sounds. And I'm about to go through all the technical stuff and bring you through a whole story just to get you to the point. Okay? It's not me. It's not this channel. It's why I do short videos. Only time I'm gonna do long videos is when y'all like, like smash that fucking, hit that like button up. When y'all start commenting below, and when y'all start subscribing to the channel and get me to 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours so we can monetize, man, and go live. Cause I'd rather do these builds live. Um, and so with that being said, once they say, okay, I'm gonna shit on the people that built my business up, right? I'm gonna just walk in one day and fire everybody, right? Besides the people that's not showing, that's not doing sexual intercourse on the site, and that's not really, they got very vague restrictions. So it's up to interpretation to say if you violate or you violate. If you're showing a nipple dry, it's okay. But if you're showing a nipple with some ice cream on it, it's explicit, right? It's up to interpretation in the contract. And if you know anything about contractors, copywriting, and anything like that for back ends of businesses, you need to write them in a structure in a way where you can win, right? So, and that's what they did. And so they was gonna ban all the intercourse content and all the nasty stuff, like beast porn, all the intercourse they was having and stuff like that, anal, whatever, all that stuff. We all know y'all like that shit. Hey, look, I didn't give a few. I ain't gonna say the beast, but they like it everywhere, right? All three hoes, right? Um, and I'll tear that up. Look, I'm gonna tell y'all. Look, this not even nothing to do with the video, and I don't want to put this in here. But look, the one reason I don't never go to OnlyFans or subscribe or anything like that is because when I hit women, I make them bust 50 times, literally. And when like, other men don't understand this stuff, and I don't know why. You gotta know how to stroke, bro. Like, you gotta understand it, because I do it all the time. No matter what woman it is, I'm gonna make them bust a bunch of times. I can make women bust from just sucking titties alone. But off that subject, right? And when you can do stuff like that, you don't have to go into a site and pay, right? Because real sex is so good, right? Um, got me thinking about some shit. But back to the OnlyFans ordeal. So what happened was once you shit on the people that help you build your organization, they say, I helped you do this. I'm gone, right? So now these people signing up for other platforms. I won't mention any other platforms mainly because I don't know most of them, and I'm not tracking what platforms they go to. All I know is OnlyFans was tracking what was happening on the back end, how much money they was losing, and how many clients they was losing, right? Um, and they said, "Damn, I can't afford this. I can't even afford. I can't afford to get rid of the best part of my business. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all all right. We need y'all. Come back to the plantation because we need y'all picking this cotton again. Right? The biggest fucking slave owner, right? The biggest fucking pimp, right? They doing it legally. They shitting on you when they make their millions. And then they saying, hey, come back. We just lost some millions. That's basically what they telling you. So if you're OnlyFans girl, all I'm gonna say is get your money, right? Get your money however you gonna get it. Build you a platform, go to another platform. I spread it between all of them. And then every time one go down, you'll always have another platform to keep succeeding on. Like I said, I believe everything could be done in moderation, and some things we don't need in this world. But I know for a fact that, well, no, we don't need it. I ain't gonna say that. Well, I don't need it, right? I won't say we don't need it because, like I said, the majority of men not getting pussy, right? Is I can get pussy. I can go on Instagram and DM a couple girls. Like I can DM about 10 girls, and I know for a fact at least 5 of them gonna DM me back, and out of the 5 of them, I can strike down one in less than a 3-day to a week time period, right? That's easy for me, but most men, they don't understand it. They don't want it. They're not confident enough. They don't believe in themselves. They don't understand how great they are. Um, so they're not getting no ass. They're not getting no pussy. And they never gonna get none until they bring that line out. But and stop subscribing to OnlyFans, right? Straight up. If you a man, stop subscribing to OnlyFans. Subscribe to yourself, man. Believe in yourself. Build yourself up. Uh, go into some deep meditations. Learn who you are. Build your masculine frame up, and then conquer life, man. Conquer life, and then have people subscribe to your business, to your app, right? As a man, we got to create these foundational business that leave legacy. So today, that's the video for y'all. Dr. Herman Alkamooch with the OnlyFans situation. Do I think it's right? Do I think it's wrong? I don't look at right or wrong. I just look at positive or negative. You either want it to be positive or negative, and your actions show that. So um, we need all type of work in this world. As far as sex work, am I okay with it? Am I not okay? No, I'm not okay with a woman that wants to be loved. Like, a woman that wants to be truly loved should not do sex work. Not okay with that. I'm not okay with women having high standards, wanting everything from a man, but she didn't gave everything to the world. Because like I said, at the end of the day, a man, all we gonna have is you. Like literally, we don't have everything. We got our accomplishments and we have you. That's it. And when we lose you, only thing we have is our accomplishments. And if we don't have accomplishments, a lot of times we lose you anyway. So we just want something sacred that the rest of the world haven't had an eye on, or had their hand on, or had their dick in, right? Why would you be worth it to me if another man can pay? I'm sorry. Why would it be worth it to me if another man can pay for everything that I'm working so hard to say to help accomplish? Because I'm not gonna just be with you. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna be invested with you and involved, right, deeply. But that's enough of that. If y'all want me to talk about any subjects, just comment below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on this video. If you want to order the hat, the bracelet, Embello bracelets, the shirt, whatever you want to do, just go to my Instagram. Description will be down below. Tap in.